Alrighty, everybody. Last section, yay! All right, this is the short answer section, so here we go. Number 14 says, use the picture below to give 3 observations about the rock. So go ahead and type your answer into that spot right under the picture. 3 observations about that rock in the picture. All right, number 15 says, use the evidence cards below to give 2 specific details as to why evidence card G is more convincing than evidence card D. I'm going to read both cards to you, and then you're going to give your 2 details in the spot below the pictures. Evidence card D shows you a rock from the Great Plains, and some of the observations are: the sample is mostly light brown. The sample contains multiple grains. There might be fossils or bubbles in the sample. Some parts of the sample seem sharp. The sample reminds me of sand. Then I go over to evidence card G, which is also the same rock from the Great Plains. And here are those observations. The sample contains tan, brown, gray, and white grains. The grains are rounded and stuck together. The grains are different sizes. Some look like tiny sand and some look like small pebbles. This sample crumbles a little in my hand. Evidence card G is the more detailed and more convincing observation card than evidence card D. So please, in the box underneath, please write 2 specific details that explain why evidence card G is more convincing than evidence card D. And the last question, number 16. You now know that the Great Plains has sedimentary rock, and the Rocky Mountains has igneous rock. Therefore, how did the rock of the Great Plains and the Rocky Mountains form? Please include an answer for both of these. So how did the rock of the Great Plains form? And then tell me, how did the rock of the Rocky Mountains form? When you are done, check over all your answers, make sure you answered all the questions, and then click the submit button.